Good morning, dear students. I'm your teacher. I'm your sir. My name is Biraju, and I am running the institution RES Academy, which is excellence in providing good knowledge in perspectives of English subject, and we are training the students for interview purpose, speaking good English, inculcating the skills, dynamic skills of speaking, presentation, and interview skills, and capable of getting jobs. Nowadays scenario, every student need to have a good amount of expression the skills in English. You may know any amount of subject, but if you are not able to express in English, people won't accept you in their companies. So RES Academy is a pioneer academy providing good amount of English and having good knowledge, providing grammatical English, also spoken English and spoken skills. If you want to learn and you want to get connected to my number 830-982-7562 and pay 1000 rupees if you want hard copies and further guidance. We also guide the student for jobs, and it is an institution is being run over the period of 10 years, and we made so many students successful in their lives. If you are finding difficulty in speaking in English, better you get connected to us today itself. So, good morning, welcome to you. Today, I would like to teach you in any jobs, English is the first paper you find. Today I am going to teach you about the common error, spotting the errors. This is a common question being asked in IBP. See, just you find out chapter number 4. This is the fourth video which I have released on chapter number 4. Earlier I have given a speech over parts of speech, how to use noun, pronouns and adjectives. But today I have a practical use of these words in English. Now you can see common errors. Spot the errors. The question will be like this: spot the errors and correct the sentence. So there will be choices given A, B, C, D, but there will be a choice A, B, C, D will be given there, and you need to write which is right one. So today you will find, for especially for banking exams, IBPS and also CGLS and common grade level examination conducted by UPSC, and also essays is conducted by state government, constables conducted by state governments, and POs, bank POs, and also other grade examinations conducted by state government and central government. So whatever the examination may be, the first paper will be English. So probably English, they will be having 25 marks or so, or 50 marks or so, whatsoever may be. Always the spotting errors will be minimum 5 marks to 8 marks. Please note this point. So if you are good at grammar and competitive English, you will be able to pass the written exam. If you can speak good English, you can able to pass in the interview, and finally you get the job. So job is very much necessary for every youth. But I think that if you don't have any job, your studies has got no value. So finally you find your practical implications. Studying, every person studies but not able to find out the mistakes. English is such a language where you find a sentence is given. Now you can see the example. Example number 1, where are my luggages? Now in this, where is the mistake? Can you spot out? Where are my luggages? Where is the mistake? Can you find out? So now you can check easily, where are my luggages? Where is interrogative, are is verb, my is adjective, luggage is noun. So luggages, there is no word called luggages in English. So it is always used as singular, as luggage, like baggage, like cattle. They are always used in singular forms. So my luggage is alright. Luggages you have to rub it up. This you have to strike off. There is no luggages. Okay, right. And are is also to be removed. So there is no plural. It is a singular. Now are is there. You have to cut it and make it is. And luggages is there, cut this S. So there is the answer. There are two mistakes in this. How can you find out? Then you must know the nouns. There is no word called luggages, there is only one word called luggage. If it is luggage, then singular verb should be used. Singular verb is. So the first one is over. The second one, physics are my favorite subject. Now physics is a word, a singular word. It is not a plural word. Physics, mathematics, so economics. Though S comes, but still it is a singular word. So the R is to be removed and is to be put, because a singular subject takes a singular verb. Okay, my dear. So this is the grammar which you must know. This is called subject verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. If subject is plural, the verb should be plural. That's it. So my favorite subject. Rest all remains all right. So I have done the correction, you can check it up. Now I and Rajni attend the meeting. Where is the mistake now? I and Rajni attended the meeting. So I is a pronoun and Rajni is a name. So it is a pronoun mistake. You can see you should never use I and Rajni. You should use Rajni and I, because it pronouns the first person, second person, and that position takes place. First person should come in the second place, not in the first. So this is the first person. Whenever you say I and you will go to movie, that's wrong. You should say you and I will go to movie. So that's why you have to cut this one. You have to write here as Rajini, and this should come here and I should come here. That's the answer. So you should write Rajni and I attend the meeting. That's the correct answer. Now you can see this is my friend's Sarat's car. There are two S. There cannot be two S's. Possessive nouns. Whenever you put S, then it becomes a possessive noun. So possessive nouns cannot be together. Together you cannot keep. So one have to be struck out. Which one will be struck out? This is my friend's Sarat's car. So you have to write this is my friend. This S should be removed here. Sarat's car. So one possessive noun should be there. There cannot be two possessive nouns. So your friend, you cannot put S here. You have to cut it. Then you have to put S here. So you have to write this is my friend Sarat's car. The man is mortal. You can see the man is mortal. You can see man is a common noun. Is verb mortal. So what is the mistake here? You can see the should not be used before common noun. So common noun does not carry an article. So article should be removed. So what you need to write? So man is mortal is the right answer, not the man is mortal. So my dear friends, when you contact our RES Academy, we will provide you so many correction of sentences which are used, which are being asked in various competitive exams. It will be quite useful for your competitive exams and further life also. So I think this chapter number 4, common errors, spotting the errors, which is used in the competitive grammar. It is used for minimum 5 marks. It is asked. It is IBPS, CGLS, SI, constables, POs and other grade exams are being asked. Nowadays people are not able to find out the mistakes and they lose the marks. I hope you have understood today's correction of sentence, spotting the mistakes. It is common for all examinations you will find. So we can provide you the correction of sentences of this nature, and wherever you want you can get. You contact our academy, we will provide you all the set of correction of sentences, spotting the, you will get a good amount of experience, and in your life you can make it up. All the best. And this is from RES Academy, and my phone number is 830-982-7562. All the best. Get connected with us, learn better English and get a good job and never lose your life and the job. All the best, and you are welcome to RS Academy. Get enrolled into this. We will give you 30 chapters and 30 hours of conversational English, which no institution provides. Only we can provide that, and make you free to speak English and express your skills, express your presentation skills, enhance your presentation skills in English, which is nowadays is quite necessary for your life. All the best for your successful life and career. Thank you very much.